there and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a comparison between two foundations. One can cheaply be bought in any drugstore and the other one is a premium full coverage foundation. Of course, one of the most sought after foundations. So the two products that I'm comparing are the Revlon Touch and Go and Fenty Beauty. This I've been using ever since I was 15 years old, and this one I recently bought at Sephora. So I'm just gonna put these two products to the test. I have no makeup on, as you can see. I am not using any primer, and I'm only going to be using a little one of these to apply it. So let's go. So yes, I've tried them both and you can see a clear difference on both sides of my face, and the obvious winner is Fenty Beauty. I think it gives my skin a very smooth look. It covers all sorts of flaws and imperfections and even my dark circles. And I'm not even using any concealer, so I think this product is amazing. And to top it all, it is lightweight, and that is a big thumbs up because most full coverage foundations are really heavy on the skin, and if you're someone like me who has really oily skin, that's not a good thing. So Fenty Beauty, a product I'm definitely gonna be using from now. So I'll see you in my next episode. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, share, and comment.